In this tutorial we are going to customize a generic NPN symbol to a BC182 in TO92 package using the Devmap mechanism. Make sure autocompile is enabled so that changes are automatically compiled and shown. Place a generic NPN symbol from the stock library. It comes with the Devmap attribute filled in, PCB pin numbers assigned accordingly. To deactivate the stock Devmap and see the original terminal names of the symbol, switch to the RAW view. We need to produce a new Devmap file for our transistor. We have already set up a Devmap library next to the sheet file. It already has a copy of a BSS84 Devmap that we are going to use as a template. Copy this file to a new name that identifies the part and the package. Edit the new Devmap file looking at the symbol terminal names and the physical package pin numbers side by side. First, edit the footprint attribute to TO92. Then edit the port map. Left side of the arrow is always the terminal name in the symbol, right side is the corresponding pin number on the footprint. After saving the file, we have a new Devmap in our local library. This can be seen in sch-rnd. Open the Devmap library window and navigate to the Devmap library prefixed by the design's path. At the moment it lists only the BSS84 Devmap that existed at the time we started sch-rnd. It needs a manual refresh to find our new Devmap. Select the library and click on the Refresh button. Our BC182 Devmap should appear. Clicking it shows the attributes entered in the text editor. Switch back to the PCB view so PCB pin numbers are shown on the drawing. Invoke the attribute editor over the symbol. Select the Devmap attribute and click the Assisted Edit button. This will invoke the Devmap library window. Since we have already refreshed our lib, it should be easy to find our new Devmap file. A few moments after selecting it, autocompile will trigger and the new pin numbers will appear.